Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a highly requested video. As you guys can see by the title above, it is going to be a tutorial on how I make these cute little acetate totes where I store the kits that I'm currently selling. I'm going to have the information about the kits down below as well. I have been making a bunch and posting them, and you guys have been asking me if I have a tutorial for this. So today I'm going to show you how I make them. You guys, I'm loving looking at these totes come together. If you guys are interested, the little kit is $35 and you can choose your collection. I have a variety of collections, from new Christmas ones, last year Christmas ones, any Maggie Homes, so you can pick what you want. Each kit comes with 4 memorydex cards and an altered clipboard, and of course the little tote. I'm going to have a link down below the acetate that I use. You guys can use any thread. I use the thread art from Amazon as well. I'll have that link down below. And yeah, you guys, let me show you how I make this. I'm going to have a little speed up of me sewing because that's just too loud, but I will be showing you just how to make them and how you have to sew them and the sizes and everything so that you guys can create your own. But let me move these. Look how cute, you guys. I love staring at them. And I'm only going to be selling them for the month of November, you guys. So if you want, place your orders. I'm almost done. I got so many, I got over 15 orders for Dulce. And I'm almost done with them. But this is a few bags that I have already made. And you can do different designs on them. I love the double stitching because I have to go over it twice. You will see like double lines, but I think it looks so cute and it makes the bag extra sturdy. So this is just for you guys to see what they look like. This one I made with the 2 stripes this way. I like it. I like that one too, and I like the one with the sides. I don't think it looks bad. And just playing around with the design, you know. So this is what they look like. And let me see. I have my ruler right here. Give me 1 second, you guys. Okay, so the bag is, let me do the top part. Okay, so the bag is about 8.5 inches long, and then it's 6 inches this way. Now I'm going to show you guys. And put these to the side because I don't want them to get ruined. And they're so sturdy, you guys. So we're going to make one. And then I'll just have to film the clip of me sewing and add it to this video when my daughter gets here, because she's not here. And I don't want to film. Sometimes I do the sewing clips on my own, but my daughter helps me. Okay, I don't want to come out on this. I hate when you can see through here, but anyway, we use a 12 by 12 sheet. And then I cut off at 8.5. I'm so used to making them that I kind of eyeball it already. So let's see if I made it just at 8.5. Just a little bit more, about that much. Okay, so you grab your 12 by 12 acetate sheet. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sew all the way around. And once you do that, you're going to want to sew, if you want this one that has the 2 lines on the side, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stitch down here about 1 inch in and 1 inch in here. And then if you want to do the other way, then you want to stitch, of course, your little lines on the bottom. I only have this design in the front. I don't have it in the back. So if you want to do it on both sides, you would do your little 1/2 inch and then your inch, and then 1/2 inch and then your inch, and then you would have it on both sides. Then when you have your bag stitched up, you fold it up and you stitch your second line down this way. So I'm going to insert now a clip of me stitching this bad boy up, and then we'll be back. And I'll show you how I add the brads and how I add my little handles. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the bag that we have stitched up. Super cute. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some handles to it. My strips are 9 inches long because I don't like them that long because then they get super flimsy. So what I do is I kind of see where I want it, and then I punch a hole and hold it down right in the center of where I want that. Add my brad, and then I use my crocodile to secure that in place. A little hole punch. Dots are falling in the bag. Okay. Then you want to grab the other side. You line it up as best as possible. You can make the handles as long as you want. I like them this length. I think they look super cute. And then to like secure it in place, I kind of hold it down until I don't press down on my hole punch until I know where I want it. And then I put down my brad and squeeze. And look, you guys. So then you just do the same on the opposite side, and to measure it up evenly, I just go up against where I have it, right there, hold it in place. Punch hole, get your brad. You can make your handles any color. Squeeze, super easy, you guys. I foresee many people making the baggies. Okay, so then grab your brad. It's just a perfect way to store your goodies to send to a pen pal. Super easy. And there is your bag. Oop, there's little from the hole punch. There you go. And there is your bag, you guys. What do you think? Isn't that easy? And then you just store your goodies inside and send it off. But yeah, you guys, that is my tutorial on the acetate tote bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.